Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Rivers with the phonemic awareness lesson for day 27. Let's begin. Before we start in the yellow book, let's review some sounds. I will say the letters. You tell me the sound. O-A, sound. O. A-I, sound. A. E-A, sound. E. It also has another sound. E. E-R, sound. A-R, sound. R. O-R, sound. Or. I-R, sound. And U-R, sound. For our first activities, I am going to say each sound in a word, and I want you to listen carefully and tell me the whole word. For example, let's see, we'll use wonderful. So I would say w, n, d, f, and then you would say wonderful. Got it? Let's begin. Here's the first word. V, I, d, e, o. What's the word? Video. Next one. R, A, N, B, O. What's the word? Rainbow. Next one. S, M, W, N. What's the word? Someone. And the last one. L, E, F, T, O, V, S. What's the word? Leftovers. Very good, boys and girls. This time, boys and girls, I will say a word, and I want you to tell me what sound do you hear in the middle of the word. And then I want you to tell me, do you hear a short vowel or a long vowel? For example, cute. Ooh, long U. Okay? Now, it's your turn. Made. What sound do you hear in the middle of made? That's right. A. Is it long or short? Long. Okay, let's try another one. Cube. What sound do you hear in the middle? Ooh, long U. Next word, wheat. What sound do you hear in the middle of wheat? E, long E. Road. What sound do you hear in the middle of road? O, long O. Last word, wet. What sound do you hear in the middle of wet? Short E. Very good. Okay, for our next activity, this time I will say the word and you will chop that word into each sound that you hear. For example, somebody. And then you would go s, b, a, d, e. Ready to try it? Let's go. Here's your first word. Fantastic. Watch me. F, a, n, t, a, s, t, I, k. Let's try wonderful. Watch me. W, n, d, f, u. Very good. Separate. Do it with me. S, e, p, eight. Separate. And for our last one, let's do Titanic. Ready? T, I, t, a, n, I, k. Very good, boys and girls. Okay. Now this time I'm going to say a word, you will repeat the word, and then I'm going to ask you to change one of the sounds. For example, glob, and then you would say glob, and then I would say change ah to o, and then you tell me the new word, which is globe. Okay, we'll try a few. Here's your first word, cane. Change a to a. The new word would be can. Here's another one. Say Tim. Now change I to I. And what's the new word? Time. This time I want you to say rod. Change ah to o. What's the new word? Road. Say feel. Now change e to e. The new word would be fell. Last one, say Duke. Now change oo to What's the new word? Duck. Fantastic, boys and girls. Now, this next activity is a little bit tricky. So listen carefully. I'm going to say a word and you will say the word. And then I'm going to ask you to add a sound after the first sound in a word. I know it doesn't make sense, but let's try one. For example, I say tick, you say tick, and then I will say add r after t, and you get trick. Got it? Well, let's try it. Okay, here's your first word. I want you to say pay. Now add r after p. What's the new word? Pray. Very good. Next word, soon. Add p after s. What's your new word? Spoon. Here's another one. Say pot. Add o after p. What do you get? Plot. Say sell. Add after s. And what's the new word? Smell. Last one. Say sand. Add t after s. You get stand. Very good, boys and girls. That's our lesson for today. Until next time, bye.